In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make websites on GoHighLevel. We'll guide you through the entire process step by step, ensuring you have all the tools and knowledge you need to create a stunning and functional website. First things first, you'll want to log into GoHighLevel. Head over to the official website, select the sub-account where you wish to create your website. Remember, each sub-account represents a separate brand or business, so choose wisely. Now that you've logged in, let's navigate to the section where the magic happens. From the left sidebar, click on Sites, then Websites. Once there, look for the plus New Website button and click it. You'll be presented with a few enticing options. You can start from scratch, which is perfect for those with a clear vision in mind. Alternatively, you can use a template, which I highly recommend for beginners, as it can save you a lot of time. There's also the option to import from a URL if you wish to clone an existing site. If you're opting for a template, GoHighLevel has built-in options tailored to various business types like coaching, e-commerce, and real estate. Browse through these templates and pick one that fits your business. Once you've found the perfect one, click on Use this template, and your chosen template will be automatically added to your sub-account. Now it's time to bring your website to life by editing its pages. Find the pencil icon next to the page you want to customize and give it a click. You'll enter the drag and drop page builder. This is where you can add or edit text, buttons, and images. Don't hesitate to drag new elements like videos and forms from the left panel. You can also adjust layouts, spacing, and colors to match your brand style. In line with customizing your pages, you'll want to dive into your brand design settings. From the top menu, you can change global colors, fonts, and even button styles. It's a good idea to set these early on to ensure a seamless, consistent look across all pages of your website. Next up, let's add some functional elements that enhance the utility of your site. Consider incorporating forms for lead capture, a calendar for booking calls, and even payment elements if you're selling services or products. These can be easily dragged in from the left sidebar. If your website needs additional pages, simply click Add Page from the top left dropdown. Give your new page a name, such as About Us or Contact, and click Create Page. You can link these pages together later using a navigation menu. Speaking of navigation, it's crucial to set up an intuitive menu for easy page connections. Add a navigation bar element at the top of your homepage. Edit the links to include the necessary pages and save your work. Adding a Book Now button that links directly to your calendar or booking page can be a powerful CTA. Having a custom domain elevates your site and makes it live on its own URL. Go to Settings, then Domains, and click Add New Domain. Enter your domain name and follow the provided DNS instructions to connect it, ensuring everything is verified for your website. SEO settings are optional but important as they help your site appear properly on search engines and social media. Open each page, click on the settings icon, and add a page title, meta description, and social preview image. Before you publish, take the time to preview and test your website. Ensure that everything looks good on desktop, tablet, and mobile. Check all links and forms to confirm they're working correctly. Finally, when everything checks out, it's time to publish your site. Click Save, then Exit, followed by Publish. Select your custom domain if it's connected. Congratulations! Your GoHighLevel website is now live.